Tashi the leg snake sign. So let's see what are you attracting for next 7 days. So your current energy, wow, your current energy looks very positive. You are very happy with your loved one or your in your family member or your friend circle. You're very happy right now. I think you're satisfied, happy. Your relationships are looks very positive around you. Okay, for the next 7 days, what are you attracting? The wheel of fortune. My god, you're attracting the luck. You're going to be the luckiest person for next 7 days, and you're attracting the king of cups. Good news are coming to you and you're going to be satisfied with that result. Okay, this can be a positive result or good opportunity, good news. This can be something you were expecting for so long, and now you're going to receive that. Okay, and the hermit, sometimes you are going to spend time with yourself and meditate. It's going to be very good for you. Okay, me time, alone time is going to be very good for you. Queen of Pentacles energy, wow, you're receiving a lot of financial freedom, or you are going to get married. If you're single, then you're going to meet a person, very passionate loving person who's also very down to earth and loving caring person. You're going to feel that you yourself a loving caring person towards someone else. Okay, and you're following your passion, you're working and following your passion, and because of that passion you're going to be financially freedom in the future. Okay, and you're going to celebrate something with your friends or family members. You're attracting this as well. You're going to celebrate, or you're going to go some beautiful place, visit a beautiful place with your friends and family members. And now, if you are not satisfied in some kind of relationship, this can be a friendship or a love relationship or with your relatives, or something that you are not happy with is now finally going to go away from you, or like you are coming out from that kind of negative mindset, or you are coming out from that kind of negative surroundings. Okay, where you are not happy, and some of you are going to get pregnant in these next 7 days, or you are going to get a news like pregnancy news for next 7 days. Okay, from your loved ones, and you are working very hard. You are trying to bring balance in every situation, and you're finally bringing that balance in your relationship and career, or in your career path or health. This can be anything. You're bringing lots of balance and positive energies. Okay, and let's check the love guidance for you. Love guidance: settling, avoid settling for less than you deserve in love. Okay, that's guidance for you. My god, look at this beautiful guidance. And window: a new adventure in love is coming. Get ready. Okay, so if you're single, then this message is for you, and you have to be ready for that. Okay.